Paul O'Grady has been flooded with support following the death of one of his beloved pets. The former Radio 2 DJ, 67, returned home earlier this week to discover one of his pigs had been put to sleep after previously being diagnosed with a tumor. Taking to his Instagram account on Tuesday, Paul shared a video of his late pet and broke the sad news to his 738,000 followers. The star wrote, "Got back from a week in Newcastle playing Miss Hannigan in Annie to find that Tom, one of my pigs, had been put to sleep. I knew it was coming as he'd been diagnosed with a tumor, but even so it's awful when you lose a pet. He was the cheekiest of the gang, and one of the other pigs who was obviously very fond of him is now depressed and gone into mourning, and there's those who say that animals don't have feelings." Paul added, "On a lighter note, I'm thoroughly enjoying playing Hannigan again after so long, especially with a truly amazing and lovely cast. Next stop Edinburgh. At Any Music Luke #animals #pigs." Paul's followers and famous friends were quick to comment on the heartbreaking post, with Gabby Roslin writing, "Oh no. Paul the first, I'm so sorry. Sending you massive hugs and so much love, my darling." One fan told The Star, "Sorry to hear your sad news. Losing a pet is like losing a member of your family. On a brighter note, I came to see you in Newcastle. First visit to the theatre on my own since my husband died. I loved every minute and you were amazing. Thank you for putting a smile on my face." 20. Paul is currently sharing the role of Miss Hannigan with Craig Revel Horwood in the touring stage show of Annie. Speaking earlier this month, Paul revealed how he prepares for a stint on the road and explained why he isn't a fan of stopping in hotels. "I'm traveling light this time, but when I used to go on the road, I'd take my baby belling oven and my electric frying pan. When I was in a hotel room, I'd put a shower cap over the fire alarm and make myself breakfast," the legendary comedian told the Metro. "Of course, they'd smell it down the corridor and the manager would be up saying, 'Are you cooking in the room?'" He went on to add, "I'm not good in hotels. I go in a hotel room and I look at the bed and I think, how many people have slept in this before me? Even in a posh hotel I think that. And I always have a look for bed bugs. I'll probably get a flat, because then you can cater for yourself. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.